How often has this happened to you? You're checking your bank account, and surprise, surprise, you've just paid for yet another month of a service you forgot you even had. That's right, folks. Auto-renewal strikes again. But hey, let's not panic. Let's dive into whether auto-renewals are your friend or foe and explore some smart ways to save those precious pennies on subscriptions. The pros of auto-renewal. The set it and forget it club. Auto-renewal can be like having your own personal assistant, minus the coffee runs. Here's why it might be a good thing. Convenience. No more worrying about missing a payment deadline. Auto-renewal has your back, ensuring you don't lose access to that essential service, like your favorite streaming platform. Can't miss that new season. Peace of mind. If you rely on a service regularly, auto-renewal takes away the stress of remembering to renew manually. No more, oops, I forgot to renew and now I'm stuck moments. Discounts. Some companies offer sweet deals for sticking around. Think of it as a loyalty bonus for being a repeat customer. Be careful because that discount often vanishes with the first renewal. The cons of auto-renewal. The sneaky subscription siphon. Auto-renewal can be a sneaky way to drain your wallet, forgetting what you're paying for. Subscriptions can pile up fast, and before you know it, you're paying for things you don't even use. That online magazine you subscribed to 2 years ago. Yep, it's still charging you. Price hikes. Auto-renewal can be like inviting a guest to your house who keeps eating more every time they visit. Companies might raise prices and you might not even notice until it's too late. Hard to cancel. Ever tried canceling a subscription? It can be like trying to break up with someone who just won't let go. Some companies make it way too hard to say goodbye, hoping you'll give up and keep paying. Canceling a subscription. The power of no thanks. One of the simplest ways to save money. Just cancel it. But before you go on a canceling spree, consider this. Evaluate usage. Ask yourself, am I really using this service? If the answer is nah, hit that cancel button with confidence. Negotiate for discounts. Sometimes when you try to cancel, the company will offer you a discount to stay. Use this to your advantage. It's like playing hard to get, but with your money. Seasonal canceling. Not using that fitness app in the winter? Cancel it and resubscribe when you're back in the workout groove. Why pay for months you're not using? Proven and tested money-saving methods. Bundle up. Some services offer bundles where you get multiple subscriptions at a discounted rate. It's like a subscription buffet, more for less. Share the love. Family and group plans are often cheaper per person. Split the cost with friends and family and save big. Annual plans. If you're committed to a service for the long haul, opt for the annual plan. It's usually cheaper than paying month to month. Just be sure you're really going to use it. Set reminders. Before your subscription renews, set a reminder to review it. It's like giving your future self a little nudge to make sure it's still worth it. Trial and error. Always take advantage of free trials, but don't forget to set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends. You'll get to test the waters without diving headfirst into a subscription you might not need. Managing subscriptions doesn't have to be a nightmare. Whether you chose to embrace auto-renewal for its convenience or decided to take control and cancel unused services, the key is staying aware. Don't let those sneaky charges catch you off guard. Stay safe, stay secure, and with a few smart strategies, you can keep your subscriptions in check and your bank account happy. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.